All I can ever be to you is the darkness that we know, and this regret I died accustomed to. Once was the ride when we were at our height, waiting for you in the hotel at night. I knew I had him in my match, every moment we get snatched. I don't know why I got so attached. It's my responsibility if you don't own nothing to me but to walk away. I have no president.